lightly. You really can't see a lot. These dark images with some light floating in the center is what showed up all over social media. Hey, the power outage lasted a little more than an hour, leaving thousands in the dark. Thanks for watching at 3. I'm Reed Cowan.
I'm Heather Millsman for Latoya today. This outage impacted the Central Hall only, but that's still a big area. Other areas of the convention center were okay, but caused quite a mess.
Yeah, News 3's Nathan O'Neill joins us live there with more on the impact of the outage. Nathan, you kind of needed those virtual glasses you've been showing us the last couple of days when the power went out.
Right, not exactly what you want to have happen at a tech show, and we are live in the Central Hall here at the Convention Center, where the system that powers all of this technology, well, it went down for almost 2 hours. A major hiccup for the world's premier tech show.
The LVCC is experiencing a power outage. We are addressing this matter. Please use caution navigating the LVCC venues.
And that's the sound of the overhead alert system in action, alerting thousands of convention goers here at CES what was happening. Now, what is usually a vibrant display of high-tech gadgets and inventions instead was concealed by the darkness. This lasted for about 90 minutes while NV Energy worked to restore power. In the meantime, tech companies tried to protect their property from theft while also trying to showcase what products that they actually could. Honestly, how do you have a tech show without power?
That's right. That's right, yeah. That is a big problem. I think my colleague over there was saying that somebody's going to have some questions to answer.
And within the last 30 minutes, we just got an update from CES organizers and NV Energy. They tell us that they believe that the reason that the power went out was actually because of the heavy rains yesterday. They believe some water may have gotten into a transformer in the area and caused that to fail. Reporting live at the Convention Center, Nathan O'Neill, News 3.
All right, Nathan.